Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing haul for Boxycharm's box for the month of April. I meant to say August. I'm going to be doing an unboxing haul for Boxycharm's box for the month of August. So I'm gonna take a look at what's inside this month's box. Ooh, I like how they put it together this month. For Boxycharm this month, it's the Life of the Party box, so I'm expecting to see like neon colors. So for my Boxycharm, I got the first variation, and it usually says it in the bottom. Mine says it right here. It says number 1. So I got the first variation of the box. So we'll see what I get. The first thing that catches my eye in this box is the House of Lashes falsies. These look pretty. They look like they're a little bit chunky, like separated, if you know what I'm saying. I know everyone got different lashes, but these are the lashes I got. These are usually $9 to $12. I don't know, they just kind of look a little chunky to me, but I feel like once you put them on and maybe put some mascara over it to kind of blend it in with your lashes, they might not look too bad. Next in the box, I have the Adesi Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. This says that it's organic and it's an age-defying nail treatment. So it just keeps your cuticles hydrated. Let me smell it. It says it smells like sweet almond. I've tasted the sweet wedding almond macaroon, and so maybe it kind of smells like that. And that macaroon smells so good. So see if this little one smells like the macaroon that I like. So it doesn't smell like the macaroon. Let me try it on my nails actually. And this cuticle oil is $18. The next product I got in this box is the Smashbox liquid lipstick. I know I saw a lot of people getting different colors. I think I saw some get more of like a metallic liquid lipstick. It looks like I got a brown lipstick, and I don't usually wear brown. See, the color is Psychic Medium. I don't really wear dark colored lipsticks, but that's a good thing about Boxycharm. It kind of pushes you to go out of your comfort zone that you don't usually wear and try out different makeup products that you don't usually wear. Kind of like exposes you to all different sorts of makeup. Let me do a swatch on my hand. So this is a swatch. It is very dark. I tend to go towards more pinky nude lipsticks, so this will be a good change for me. I'm excited to kind of try this out. I'll have to figure out how I'm going to wear this. Probably won't be seeing me wear this too much, but I still want to try it out because I like trying out new makeup products from Boxycharm. Then I have an eyeshadow palette, and it's the Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $19. Let's open it up. I'm assuming it's going to have very bright colors. That's really bright. Now, if you're the type of person who really likes to experiment with makeup and just try really bold looks, I feel like this eyeshadow palette would be good because the colors are very bright and like exotic. For me though, I don't really like to wear bright, crazy eyeshadow looks. I kind of just go for the more neutral tones. So I honestly probably won't be using this. Next, Bang Beauty eyeliner. So this is a gel eyeliner. Okay, this is also a very dark brown color. This is $22. And I have this from Wander Beauty. These are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Let me read what's inside of these because I really want to try eye masks on because I'm starting school again and I'm going to be getting bags under my eyes from being tired from staying up late studying. So I'm excited to try these, and it comes with 3, which is great. I'm just going to read the description for these because I want to know what's inside of them. So these are used to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. It has hyaluronic acid. Ooh, that's pretty good. And it diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye areas. Ooh, so it has aloe vera and lavender oil. Ooh, these probably are gonna smell pretty good with the lavender oil, and the aloe vera is super good for your skin, and the aloe vera is just good in general. So I'm excited to try these out. These are $13. So that's the end for today's video. I'm gonna try next time to do a try on Boxycharm unboxing haul video and try to like switch it up into a try on haul. But I hope you guys like these kind of videos, and stay tuned because I have a lot of videos coming out. I have a lot of videos I need to post, and so make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on my social medias. I'll leave them down below, and I'll also put up here on the screen. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!